My knee is killing me from that walk we did, I think, or standing on this ice cold concrete. Look at all the ice out there. Minnie, see it?
Yeah, it's rather chilly. It's really not that bad. Today is pretty warm compared.
You what?
I said today is pretty warm compared to.
I can't hear you. I got my earphones on. Watch out, we got snow falling. It's like sliding this way off the roof. Be careful. What we got here, we got us a panel. It's 16 feet long. Let me show you where it's gonna go. It's going up there. That's where it's going. What a nightmare this is. We've got to get that done before we can do the long walls here, because that wall comes up this way and goes that way. And if you look over here in the corner, I don't know. Let me squeeze in here and I'll show you this. Okay, so what we got here, this panel went from this wall to here. I had to have this made. I think I told you about that. And we got to put this up on each side. And I got to have that panel up there, okay, to ride that up. Yeah, you get the idea. So we're not going to ride it here. We're just going to put a little piece up there. But before I put that up there, I got to have this wall up. This should be the last of the hard situations, is putting this one last panel. And then the next one I put up, of course, it will be shorter. So what a mess, you know?
Yeah.
What a real mess here we got going. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let me go ahead and cut that, and then we're going to put it up in there. And hopefully there won't be and hopefully we won't be hollering, screaming, and cussing.
And if you believe that, yeah.
What I'm cutting these panels with, you've seen me using my skill saw. If Minnie can bring the camera over here, I got the Diablo Steel Demon. This is a very, very good saw blade. That saw blade, if you go to Home Depot, what was it, $28, $30?
Something like that.
If you buy it in a town like Moab, it's going to cost you about $50 or $60. So, you know, small towns. Some stuff's worth it, most of the stuff isn't. I'm not claiming to be a professional, okay? It ain't happening over here. But I am claiming to do it myself and do the best I can do. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to figure out what pitch this is. Because the next panel that we put up, we're not gonna be able to measure it. It's gonna go to a point. So we gotta figure out what the pitch is on this, and then we'll split that, the difference, and then find out the width we need, and then we'll put it on there. And what you do is you take one of these, and then you see your numbers right here. Okay, so let's see, let's try to figure this out. So it's flat right here. Okay, hold on, that's not it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's not how you do it, hold on. Is it this way? Okay, maybe it's this way. No. Okay, how did I figure it out last week? Or the other day? I know I figured it out. I just can't.
I think you just guessed.
I think it was from down there at that end. Okay, so how did I find? Okay, let's try it this way. I'm sorry, everybody. The pitch on this. Okay, was it from this end? If we go like that, that's not going to tell us. No, it's not. How the hell did I do this? Okay, I don't remember how I found the pitch with this. I am really...
Maybe you should look up a YouTube video.
I know how to do it. If I remember right, it was a 412 pitch. That's what it was. Anyway, we're wasting time here. This is how you figure it out. It's a 4.5 pitch is what it is. I already know that. I just don't remember how I found it, that's all. Okay, here we go, right here. Here's what I did. Okay, so we got this flat edge here. And then what you do, watch the numbers here. You roll this down to match that. And then that's gonna be, that's not it. Okay, because that says 7 right there. That doesn't say 4.5. I don't know how it's done, but that, you know, it's done, okay? I'm telling you, this is a 412 kit. It's a done deal. This is how you figure it out, and you'll figure it out. That's all I can tell you. And I can tell you that this is not going to be an easy job. So, let it go, I got it. Let me get it in here.
Down and hand it up.
Okay, get down, because it's hooked on this scaffolding.
Exactly.
It's hooked on the scaffolding. Okay. Hurry up. Hold on, look what you're doing. Get it on the other side of that metal. Hang on, let me lift mine up.
Okay, it's over. It's done. It's done.
Okay, we gotta lift it up together. Lift it up together. There you go. Mine's stuck on the fucking insulation. Damn it. Fuck. Push yours up in there. Push it up. Alright, line it up at the bottom right there. Look, this is lined up with one of these ribs. Alright. We're all fucked up here. Look what happened. How the fuck did this happen? What the fuck did we do?
Okay, listen to me. Let's put it up just like it is, and we can use the corners that you cut off
Alright.
and put them up there.
Go ahead. Put a screw on yours. Fucking insulation over there is fucked up! Bitch! You are fucking joking me! Damn it! You're supposed to put the battery on first!
I did, Pete. I thought it was on there all the way. Please don't do that.
I gotta get the insulation
Well,
off!
don't do it that way.
Wait a minute!
Cut my fucking hand off.
You got it on forward?
Yes.
Shit! Fucking believe this. I don't fucking believe I did this. What a fucking joke, man. God, what a fucking nightmare. I really fucked it. Fuck! That's the one I fucking need. Fuck, man.
Told you there would be cussing. I told you.
I'm taking it down. We're gonna cut the other one to fit, and then we'll use this one up there.
Okay, well let me go. Don't take all the things down because I'm gonna need to help you and I need to get
I can get it and hand it to you.
Sure, hand it to me. Some bleed all over.
Hang on. Walk it. Go ahead and walk down. Hold it. Let me get down here. Hang on. Hold on. Got it? Alright, so you see the deal. Alright, you don't watch your P's and Q's. You don't do what you're supposed to do. You pretty much go ahead and you fuck yourself. That's what happened. Luckily, I got 2 panels to do this area up here. So I'm going to cut the other panel. What happened is I forgot to measure the distance from the flat from here up to where the ridge started. And that, my friend, is why we didn't get a reading on our square. And stupid ass me, boing, 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 da 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 do tika ka 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 do tika ka 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 do tika ka 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 fucked up. 23 1/4. It's 23 1/4 on both sides. What I gotta do is measure up on each side 23 1/4, then get our 412 pitch, and that's where I fucked up. Watch your step, watch your step. You wanna go snow skating today? Ice skating?
Not really. Can I put the camera down now?
Yeah, put it down, we're done. We got work to do, you know, that's it. We gotta get this shit done.
Son of a bitch.
Damn it, watch out! I told you that stuff's falling.
Too bad it didn't hit you in the head.
Yeah, that's right, hit me.
Could have knocked some sense into you. Alright, I'm turning the camera off because that's probably why
Go
you
ahead, turn it
fucked
off.
up. And the bitching and screaming will continue. I guarantee, guarantee, guarantee.
Da, da.